To Mr. Shashank Srivastava. ABC of super hit music. Amit Trivedi, Badshah, and C is Chauhan Sunidhi. Ladies and gentlemen, please, may we have all three of them up here. I'm leaving the stage for Karan and Farah to take over.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are here with absolutely the most illustrious voices in the music film and the music industry of our cinema, Amit Trivedi, Sunidhi Chauhan, and the man himself, Badshah. Badshah, this is your first IIFA.
Yes, sir.
What does it feel like?
Very exciting.
Wow, you're really looking.
Short ही रखूँगा मैं थोड़ा, but I'm very excited. Responsible, थोड़ा nervous भी हो रहा है, but I'm really excited.
Badshah, you've lost a lot of weight.
उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं, हम कोई टेंशन. वो हाँ मतलब that's it.
How?
We can have those discussions later. Thank you. Badshah, we're all very excited. Everyone at IIFA, the 23rd IIFA and Badshah's first performance, and we're all set, and I hope you are too. Yes Island, Abu Dhabi, 23rd edition of IIFA, it all awaits you.
Yeah, I'm excited because
You're really looking excited.
I'll be in the company of अभी अमित सर और सुनिधि मैम खड़े तो मैं क्या बोलूँ?
Sunidhi is my neighbor.
Yes, special because I'm going to perform for IIFA Rocks, and I'm really looking forward to being here. Yes.
We're all very excited, Sunidhi. You have had tremendous, supreme chart busters as songs, and everyone awaits your performance and all the songs that we're going to get to hear and experience at the 23rd edition of IIFA. We can't wait. Thank you,
Do you do
Sunidhi.
this impromptu or like you learnt it before?
No, I get
disappointed. I was in Mumbai, but that was my first one, and I did my first concept they call Indradhanush concert there. So this time around also I have some unique idea planned for this performance. So really looking forward.
Karan, how excited are you?
I'm just excited that I'm hosting IIFA Rocks with you.
Yeah.
Because you've not only been an epitome of talent as far as film direction, but even fashion. The way you've taken giant leaps in the world of fashion, as we can see today, has been admirable to say the least. Moving very swiftly.
Yeah,
thank
swiftly.
you.
Let's call
Moving
Salman
very
on stage.
swiftly from here, may we please have one of the supreme friends of... Ladies and gentlemen, can we call on stage Varun Dhawan?
See the vibrant energy. Wow.
Varun, you've been a fantastic friend of IIFA for so many years, and this is you performed several times. You know how many times?
Only twice.
Only twice.
Yeah.
Is this going to be a third?
This is going to be a third. Last year the dates moved, so I missed out. But very excited to be in Abu Dhabi. I've shot Dishum over there. Had a great experience. One of my favorite cities to be in. And guys, make some noise! Yeah, IIFA is back in Abu Dhabi. And yeah, always a pleasure to hear Sabas for the 23rd IIFAs. Who's for the 23rd time, and the same Salman Bhai was also saying this is the same speech he gave last year. No, but
And IIFA awaits you.
And
But
you.
I think we should collectively call the man of the
The
moment.
man- the man of the
who
moment,
makes
the
it
man
all
of
happen,
IIFA.
makes it all possible. We'll collectively just scream out his name. To Salman.
Salman Khan!
and we'd like to invite also one of the most admirable hosts of IIFA, a tremendous actor, multi-talented. Please bring on stage Farhan Akhtar. Farhan, you've been a host of IIFA several times, and you're back on stage for the final night. How does it feel?
Well, this is not the final night, so I don't know how to feel right now. I will feel something on the final night. But my other half, my better half, who's going to be hosting with me, is not here today. So, Abhishek Bachchan is not here, but I'm looking forward to hosting
I
with
want
him.
to ask Salman, he was
They've loved
hosting
my
last
hosting,
year.
yeah, so much that they've got Farhan
And Abhishek.
and Abhishek and you and Karan to host it
But
this
we
time.
are hosting another event. We are not hosting your
Rocks.
event. Rocks, you were not there.
So how come they get to host the bigger event?
Because you said you prefer to dance. Because that was easier for you than hosting. Was it?
These three guys here, you know, actually.
Because hosting
both
took
are
3 hours, where the dance will get over in
doing
6 minutes.
6 minutes. I think I cut down to 4 now.
Salman, you have anything else to say for your massive journey with IIFA?
This is your
It's
6th
been-
year, no?
yeah,
6th
no,
year?
no, no,
7th
no,
year?
Sixth year.
6th year.
Sixth year.
No, more, a lot more. I think how many? 6.
Consecutive year.
There was a gap for 2-3 years in Beach May.
Why?
I got too
You're not. Okay.
big. No, but Yas Island is beautiful, and we're going to be there soon. What? When is it? Huh? 10th, 11th of Feb. Yeah. But right now, I've got to go to Mud Island.
Again? From
shooting
Yas
there.
Island to Mud Island.
Yeah.
No, but we're all very excited, Salman. You're going to be the man of the moment and the man of the night, and we can't wait. Thank you very much for being such a huge support to
Thank
IIFA.
you, thank you.
Thank you. And we'd like to thank everyone individually, to Amit, to Sunidhi, Farah, Salman, Varun, Farhan, Badshah, and myself. On all our behalves, we'd like to thank the media that is present today for actually coming in huge numbers and being a huge support to the platform that IIFA has become. And of course to the three boys, one of whom I think is waiting in the aisles and needs to come right back. Sabas.